Let's talk about some of the important lifestyle changes that people can make to improve their sleep.
First of all, the tip that I suggested, which is to get light in your eyes in the morning, is one of the most powerful lifestyle hacks. And for those of you that live in cold, brutal winters, you can use blue light panels, or there's a company called Retimer that has these glasses that literally shine blue light in your eyes. But you really want to start your day with as much light as possible. So turn on all the lights in your house, open the windows. Ideally, though, go outside, get the light, again, start that circadian clock. The other one is, again, managing darkness. Our brains are wired where if we have a lot of light, our brains thinks it's daytime, and if it's dark, it thinks it's nighttime. If you start managing light or darkness, really like 90 minutes before bed, you'll notice that you're getting more tired, you'll be yawning, and you're going to get better sleep. So a few strategies or tactics around that is, one is you can dim all the lights in your house, or turn them off. And if you want to see where you're going, you can use like salt lamps with dimmers. Some people will like using red light bulbs. So red light bulbs is a second strategy. And some people like wearing blue light blocking glasses. But any one of those will really help you get better sleep.
This really is like the most nutrient-rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code